Does Samsung QLED have AirPlay? Yes, most Samsung QLED TVs support Apple AirPlay, allowing users to wirelessly stream videos, music, photos, and mirror their Apple devices on the TV screen. Samsung QLED models from 2018 and newer come with AirPlay 2 built in, making it easy to connect iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks without extra devices. 1. AirPlay support on Samsung QLED TVs. Samsung QLED models from 2018 onward feature Apple AirPlay 2, which enables smooth wireless streaming from Apple devices. You can use AirPlay to mirror your iPhone, iPad, or Mac screen on the TV. Stream movies and shows from Apple TV+, YouTube, Netflix, and other apps. Play music wirelessly from Apple Music or Spotify. 2. How to use AirPlay on a Samsung QLED TV. To enable AirPlay and mirror your Apple device, make sure your Samsung QLED TV and Apple device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Press the Home button on your Samsung remote. Go to Settings, then General, then Apple AirPlay Settings. Turn on AirPlay. To mirror your iPhone or iPad, swipe down and tap Screen Mirroring. Select your Samsung QLED TV. To stream videos from an app like YouTube or Apple TV+, open the video and tap the AirPlay icon. Select your Samsung TV to start streaming. 3. What if AirPlay is not working? If you have trouble using AirPlay, check if your TV model supports AirPlay 2. Older models may not. Update your TV firmware to the latest version. Restart both your TV and Apple device. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Reset AirPlay settings under General. Go to Apple AirPlay settings if needed. 4th, alternatives to AirPlay on Samsung QLED TVs. If AirPlay is unavailable, you can use Samsung Smart View app for screen mirroring, Google Chromecast or Roku for wireless streaming, HDMI adapter for a wired connection from an iPhone or MacBook. 5. Benefits of AirPlay on Samsung QLED TVs. Wireless streaming without extra cables or devices. Full compatibility with Apple TV Plus and iTunes content. High-quality playback including 4K HDR support. Easy screen mirroring for presentations, gaming, and browsing. Most Samsung QLED TVs from 2018 onward support AirPlay 2, allowing Apple users to wirelessly stream and mirror content effortlessly. If your TV lacks this feature, options like Chromecast, Smart View, or HDMI adapters can provide alternatives.